pretty straight. Oh, too fast, too fast. Oh, too fast, too fast. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Got a little bit of a problem. Let me go chase it. Something bad happened. Gotta chase it. Oh, at least it shut down. Had a bit of a runaway. Shut down though. It's all right, guys. We got it. Had a bit of a runaway over here. It's good, it's good. Sickening. Let's see what happened. This was an unfortunate clip of a runaway. Now, I'm not going to tell you guys what happened, what didn't happen. This is just a quick little clip. There will be a full-length video, so if you want to see the real in-depth follow-up, test start, run, and whatever damage that happened to this $1,000+ dragster, make sure you comment, like, and be a subscriber. That way, you won't miss it out. For now, take a look at these other sickening new era dragsters. Drop your comment and let me know what you think happened. Of course, I go out of my way to avoid any damage to any model on this channel. These videos are not recorded for pure clickbait nonsense. This was just a guy out there burning some nitro. Yes, it happened to be a $1,000+ rare model, but every nitro on this channel gets run. Can Hybrid get a hell yeah?
It all started with an HPR racing RS4 and it will never end.